Google Pay versus Samsung Pay, which tap-to-pay system is best? Cellular wallets are useful, however there are delicate variations between apps. Samsung Pay and Google Pay, previously Android Pay, are digital wallets programs. Each enable you to pay for items in actual life and over the web without utilizing a bodily bank card to finish the transaction. They work the identical manner, however they're completely different programs. This is how they evaluate. General findings. Samsung Pay works with most bank card machines. Use PayPal in shops. Retailer all of your playing cards in Samsung Pay. Rewards from Samsung. Google Pay suitable with most Android and a few iOS units. Pay in shops and ship cash to family and friends. Retailer all of your playing cards. Retailer tickets and coupons. Samsung Pay and Google Pay are related in some ways, together with the fundamental performance. Swipe your cell phone on the register to pay. The principal variations between the two are: Samsung Pay is out there solely on Samsung units. Google Pay is out there on most Android smartphones, together with Samsung units. Some Google Pay performance is out there on iPhones. Samsung Pay can be utilized on cost terminals that settle for bank cards. Google Pay can solely be used on terminals that settle for contactless funds over NFC. Google Pay will ship and obtain cash to and from family and friends. Google Pay is out there on desktops. Samsung Pay execs and cons. Benefits: has expertise that works with most bank card machines. Can use PayPal for in-store purchases. Disadvantages: obtainable solely on Samsung units. The knowledge beneath ought to apply irrespective of who made your Android cell phone: Samsung, Google, Huawei, Xiaomi, and so on. Samsung Pay is a contactless cell-cost app constructed into most new Samsung smartphones that help NFC, near-field communication, together with a lot of the Galaxy S series. It is also suitable with the newest Samsung smartwatches, together with the Galaxy Watch. The Samsung Pay app just isn't suitable with non-Samsung units, although, along with NFC, Samsung Pay makes use of an expertise known as magnetic safe transmission, MST, which places out a sign that mimics the magnetic strip on a bank card. The good thing about MST expertise is that any cost terminal that takes bank cards can take Samsung Pay. Cellular cost apps without MST expertise are suitable solely with terminals which have been upgraded to simply accept contactless funds. You'll be able to retailer all of your credit score and debit playing cards in Samsung Pay in addition to loyalty, membership, rewards, and present playing cards. In shops, you too can make purchases through PayPal by connecting your account to Samsung Pay. Samsung Rewards, which is out there to Samsung customers, permits you to earn rewards and enter sweepstakes for prizes. Samsung Pay customers have entry to a unique catalog of awards. You may also make online and in-app purchases utilizing Samsung Pay. Google Pay, previously Android Pay, execs and cons. Benefits: suitable with most newer Android units. There's an iOS model of the app. Join your account to PayPal. Pay family and friends utilizing the app. Disadvantages: Apple customers cannot use it for in-store purchases. Google Pay, which is out there on Android, desktop browsers, and iOS, offers you the flexibility to pay for purchases, reimburse family and friends for bills, and obtain funds. Like Samsung Pay, you possibly can retailer your credit score and debit playing cards in addition to join it to your PayPal account. You may also load loyalty and present playing cards to your account to be used within the Cell app. Google Pay can retailer film and occasion tickets in addition to coupons, and in some cities, transit passes. Previously generally known as Android Pay, the Google Pay app is suitable with smartphones with Android Lollipop 5.0 or later and iPhones with iOS 9 or later. The app can also be suitable with put on OS smartwatches. Examine the record of apps in your watch to see if Google Pay is pre-installed. If it isn't, your watch would not help Google Pay. Closing verdict. So which must you select? If you happen to use Samsung smartphones and journey to distant locations that will not have upgraded cost terminals to simply accept contactless funds, Samsung Pay is the way in which to go. In any other case, Google Pay is an efficient alternative for Android customers who need one app to pay family and friends members and to make use of on the register. Lastly, Samsung customers can reap the benefits of each apps. There isn't any motive to decide on only one. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.